Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can change the currency on your BingX mobile application. To change the currency on BingX, launch open the BingX application and make sure to log into your account first. After logging in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your settings interface, go ahead and scroll down and click on Preferences. Under Preferences, click on Show Currency. Choose from the list of available currencies such as US dollar, EUR, GBP, etc. After choosing one of the currency, you will be able to change your display currency right away. Changing the display currency only affects how balances and price are shown. It does not affect the currency of your trading or deposits or withdrawals. That is how you easily change your currency on your BingX mobile app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.